YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be customizing these black forces right here. These are going to be some off-white forces, so enjoy the video. Okay, we got all this taped up right here. Now we're about to tape up these Nike signs because they're also going to be yellow too. So let's get it. Okay, we got this Nike sign taped up, so now we're gonna move on to this side and tape around this. Okay, we got both sides taped up, Nike signs, and we also got this front part taped up. Now it's time to start painting. Let's get it. Okay, we got all that yellow, and yellow. Had to do this one off camera because it takes like 8 coats to get it to this full yellow. Okay, so we removed all the tape. This is how it looks. Now we're going to tape up this Nike sign, tape over it. Then we're gonna tape from here, this layer and this layer back, so we'll have this space open, this background, and we're gonna paint it white, black and white with stripes. Let's go. Okay, I got all that taped up right now. So what we're gonna do now is paint this black right here white, so we'll have white stripes behind this Nike chick. got my handmade stencil, the air sign, which is gonna finish this shoe off as the air sign. So we're gonna paint this white and we'll be done. Thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with anyone who likes customs. And you can also hit me up in the links down below on Snapchat or either Instagram. Thank you for watching.